Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to clean the tub of your LG washing machine. The tub clean function helps clean the inside of the washing machine by soaking, washing, rinsing and spinning the drum. Keeping your washing machine tub clean can help to minimize the possibility of detergent and soften a residue buildup and odors. Here is how to clean the tub. First, remove any clothing or items that are in the washing machine drum, and close the door. Next, open the dispenser drawer and add anti-lime scale powder to the manual wash compartment. If you are using tablets can be placed directly into the drum as an alternative to powder. Close the dispenser drawer, and turn the power on. Then, turn the control panel knob to tub clean and press the start, pause button to begin. After the tub clean cycle has ended, use a soft cloth to wipe the door seal and door, to remove any moisture. Then, open the washing machine door and leave it open to completely dry the inside. If the inside is not completely dry, it may cause a bad odor, or mildew to form. And that is how to clean the tub of your washing machine. Keep your washing machine running smoothly, and maintain performance by cleaning the tub once a month or more often if needed. Proper care of your appliance can extend the service life. Thank you for using LG washing machines.